Look, I want to increase your sex appeal. I don't want you to just get compliments. I want women to be like salivating over you. And to do so, one of the most powerful ways to achieve this goal is with the fragrances that you wear. See, the beauty with fragrances is that you have complete control. You apply it, instant compliments. And these 10 fragrances are not only different, they're not your Dior Sauvage, right? They're not your Versace Arrows that every dude in the club is wearing. No, no, no. These 10 fragrances will make you stand out and will increase your sex appeal. Let's go. Number 1, KILIAN Angel Share. Yo, I love this fragrance so much. I'm in my office right now. I kid you not. I have an extra bottle in my drawer. This is how much I love this fragrance. I have one at home, one at here. This thing smells, God, it just smells amazing. It has hints of alcohol and sweet notes. Bro, this is one of those unique fragrances. You put it out on a date night, I promise you, this girl will not forget you. Number 2, MAISON MARGIELA Fireplace. It's homey, it's warm, it has little notes of sweetness, just like the name Fireplace says. It gives you those vibes, and, well, women love to feel homey and warm, and, well, you're a little bit sweet. See, that's how you get her to think about you nonstop. Plus, it's cuddling season, boys. You want to make her feel safe. You want to make her feel warm. Number 3, Santa Lucia Come Closer. See, it would almost be a sin for me not to mention this. Yes, I am the creator of this fragrance, but I did it for a reason. See, all the notes in our Come Closer fragrance are strategically implemented, and you can go to our website and read the history behind the notes and basically the data that we pulled, making sure that the notes that we use in our fragrance were powerful to help women be attracted to you. Now, this fragrance is so popular that it always sells out. We've done 3 restocks in this past year of 2021. It's sold out at this point. It always sells out that quick. But whenever it is in stock, if I were you, I would pick this one up. It's probably one of my favorites. A close second to this is our To Conquering, which I think we only have a few bottles left. If you guys want to check those out, they're going to be linked down below. Number 4, Fierce by ABERCROMBIE. See, this one's amazing because it's not expensive. And honestly, it's surprising considering that it's a fashion fragrance. I think that it'll only run you anywhere from like 30, 40 bucks. So it's very affordable and it's strong, it's passionate, and it will 100% increase your sex appeal. Now, here's the only problem. With my entire list, fragrances will range anywhere from the $40 area all the way to the $400 area. So it can get expensive if you were to buy each individual bottle. So if you want to start building a collection like the one that I have, I recommend you try out our sponsor, Scentbird. See, for only 16 bucks, Scentbird sends you a sample-sized amount of various fragrance every month. So what ends up happening is usually each vial, they say, only lasts about 30-day supply. On my personal experience, if you apply appropriately, a vial can easily last you more than 2 months. And what ends up happening is every month that you get a new vial, you can start building out that collection. And the cool part is that they start learning your scent profile, the scents you like and dislike, and they send you scents per season. So you really start experiencing new scents you wouldn't in the past, instead of just sticking to your basic Dior Sauvage or Versace Arrows, which every other dude knows. For example, this month, one of my fragrances was this ABERCROMBIE Fierce, which honestly, before me receiving this, I probably wouldn't have added it to the list, but when I smelled it, I was shocked at just how good it smelled. It had to make the cut. Now, all of this you get for 16 bucks. See, like I said, each bottle of designer fragrance can cost you $100, $150, up to even $400, $500. Well, Scentbird carries most designer fragrances like your Dior, your Saint Laurent, your ABERCROMBIE. It carries all these high-end names, but they still only charge you 16 bucks a month. And if that's not enough, if you guys want to check it out, there's going to be a link down below where you can try out Scentbird for your first month and get 55% off that already low price per month, so you can try it out risk-free and see just amazing scents that you're gonna get. On top of the scent and the vial, you're also gonna get a travel carrying case, which is this slick, low-profile case where you put the vial in, and now you can carry it easily in your book bag, in your car, leave it in your office. That way you always have it easily accessible. If you guys want to check out Scentbird, they're going to be linked down below. Number 5, Gucci Guilty. This one's strong on patchouli, on cedar, and on sandalwood. It makes you feel manly and a bit more on the riskier side, which of course you can see how that can increase your sex appeal. Number 6 is John Varvatos. On top of the bottle just looking 6, the notes infused are Indian myrrh and Mexican winter oranges, which gives off a real natural musk, almost like that outdoorsy feel. Number 7 is AKRO Smoke. This one's not for the faint-hearted and definitely an acquired taste. It smells like a high-end cigar, but actually wearable. See, it pushes on the side of indulging and those guilty pleasures. Now, while a scent is not instantly pleasurable, like you're not gonna instantly like it when you smell it, it's one of those unexpected scents where you're not supposed to like it, but you can't stop thinking about it. Number 8, Byredo Mojave Ghost. This fragrance is pure and simple in structure, but in extreme in character. What I love about Byredo is that almost all their scents are completely unique from whatever you'll smell from designer houses. And on top of that, the Mojave Ghost fragrance is their best-selling fragrance, which in my opinion, everybody that smelled it has instantly loved it. Number 9, Acqua di Gio. This Acqua di Gio is a refreshing scent that, in my experience, almost every woman loves. It gives you that open outdoor ocean feel, and on top of that, it wears really light, so it's never overpowering. And finally, number 10 is Le Labo Bergamot. Again, what I love about Le Labo and Byredo and these like niche fragrance houses is that they're unique. You're not gonna be smelling them all the time. The bergamot fragrance teeters more on the feminine side, in my opinion, but I kind of like that. I do have a lot of feminine fragrances in my personal collection because I like to switch it up, and sometimes, and it's not only the masculine notes that will attract women, the feminine notes give them a sense of relatability and trustworthiness because they're smelling something that they're accustomed to, and women love that. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Scentbird. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.